So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shaga Cars. And so in this video I will show the unboxing of it, and we will talk about this car, Tesla Model S Plaid, last year casting 2024 Hot Wheels original, made in Malaysia, right? Yeah, made in Malaysia. Okay, so I don't know what happened about this car because I saw too many places like on some social media platforms that people don't like too much this car, so I don't know. But actually I already uncard this car because I like its color too much. Okay, so you can see its card condition, not so good. Like as you can see, here is a band on card and a creased on hook, and its blister also cracked from the bottom. Okay, so now we will talk about this car. I bought this from store, toy toy store near my local nearby place. Okay, so I bought this on MRP, yeah, which is 179, as you know all very well. So the MRP is 179, and I think maybe it was a Q case or a P case, I don't remember. So let me show you the loose car of it, and then we will talk more about it. Okay, so now you can see I uncard it, and now we will talk about it. So you know very well that Tesla came in India, and prices are too much high because of Indian tax policies, so 3 times more than its actual price, like 20 lakh rupees car goes up to the 60 lakh. So let's talk about this car. So I liked its color very much, so I bought 2 cars. Okay, so I don't know why people didn't like it too much. Maybe it's a roof or roof manufacturer, or maybe for the Tesla it is. So basically Tesla are EV cars generally. So one thing I want to tell all people, that it is not too much lightweight car and not too much light quality. I think it is a very good quality. It's a back look, that's very cool. Hot wheel written here, Hot wheel sticker, decals, and the number plate very well detailed by Hot Wheels. The HW plate you can see, and here is a Plaid written on the right side, and the cool printed details and spoilers, silencer, exhaust, all things. So its shining blue color is make it more pretty, and so this is a family sedan, normal sedan car, and not too much good quality view. It is front view, and in the front view very well Tesla logo made, and very well detailing of headlamps, printed sticker headlamps. Okay, the base is plastic, and the all details written here. 2024 metal Hot Wheels sticker, Tesla Model S Plaid, made in Malaysia. Okay, so when I see this car, I thought, and this reminds me of Hyundai Aura. If you know the car Hyundai Aura, so this car is very similar look like Hyundai Aura car. So let's see can how it be roll smoothly or not on the racetrack, and how much its weight. So it's rolling very smoothly. You can see the wheels are very free. Okay, and now we check the weight of it. So it is 36, not too much less. So 36 weight is 36 gram is sufficient commonly for all good casting Hot Wheels, not too light and not too much. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share, and if you know why people didn't like it too much and why people don't like it too much, so please tell me in the comment section your opinion. So bye bye, मिलते हैं next video में.